So, just a quick video to show, the progress I've been making. Finished fabricating a lot of the sub-assemblies for the pendulum drive. This is the chain sprocket that go on at the top of the lever arm, and this will be on the bottom of the lever arm. This is it's going to be hard to do one-handed, but this is the one-way bearing. Yeah, it only spins in one direction. This was modified from a ATV. I'm not sure if I can get it apart, but oh yeah, there we go. So it was modified from an ATV starter spread clutch, I think is what it was called. But we got that, and then I had a little bit of inspiration, and regarding a supercapacitor that I purchased a while back. And what we're going to do is I'm really tired of purchasing AAA batteries for this thing. So we're going to take the, let's see here, the DC to DC converter to step 12 volts down to 5 volts. And it all fits in this little bag here, surprisingly enough. If I can get it out. Hey, there we go. I'll have to do some modification. But then, I purchased a supercapacitor in this plastic case a couple of years ago. And I don't know if you remember the videos or not, but this is the supposedly over voltage protection circuit, but it's really not, because I found out as I was cranking with the hand generator that yeah, the LED does come on at approximately 12 volts. But you can continue to crank and it continues to charge. So, and the voltmeter is showing a voltage of, I don't know, approximately 12 volts at this point. I noticed that the voltmeter on the analog voltmeter is about 2 volts off. So, although it says approximately 10, there's really 12 volts on this blue supercapacitor case. I forget I think it's like maybe 80 farads. I don't know, maybe less. But at 0 volts, it took me approximately 4 minutes of pedaling with the bike generator to bring it up to a charge of around 13 volts. So I thought that was pretty good. And then with the testing I did with I just did a quick connect test with the LED headlight here. It's going to work really well, and the whole thing fits in a little fanny pack, and we'll see if we can get away with not buying AAA batteries anymore. So that's a good thing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. More to come. We're going to work on the pendulum lever arm and bob today, so we should have more posted in the near future. Have a great day. Cheers.